Hello! To make perfect movie theater butter popcorn at home, start by gathering your ingredients. You will need half a cup of high-quality popcorn kernels, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or canola oil, and fine popcorn salt. If you want an authentic buttery flavor, have some butter-flavored popcorn seasoning or butter-flavored oil on hand. Begin by clarifying your butter if you haven't already. Melt a stick of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over low heat. As it melts, you will see white foam rising to the top. These are milk solids. Use a spoon to skim them off, then slowly pour the golden liquid into a small bowl, leaving any remaining white residue behind. This is your clarified butter, which has the rich taste of butter without any water content to make the popcorn soggy. Keep it warm on the lowest heat setting. Now, heat a large, heavy-bottomed pot or stovetop popcorn popper over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or canola oil. Drop in 3 popcorn kernels and cover the pot. Wait for them to pop. This is how you know the oil is at the perfect temperature, around 400 degrees. Once they pop, quickly remove them with tongs and pour in the remaining half cup of kernels. Immediately cover the pot and shake it gently to coat all the kernels in oil. Let the popcorn sit for a few seconds, then start shaking the pot every few seconds to keep the kernels moving. This prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Within a minute or two, you will hear a steady pop, pop, pop as the kernels burst open. Keep shaking occasionally, and once the popping slows to about 2 seconds between pops, turn off the heat. Let the popcorn sit for 10 to 15 seconds to catch any last pops before removing the lid. Pour the hot popcorn into a large bowl. Working quickly, drizzle a few tablespoons of the warm, clarified butter over the popcorn, tossing or stirring as you pour to distribute it evenly. If you want an even stronger movie theater taste, add a teaspoon of butter-flavored oil along with the butter. Sprinkle on fine popcorn salt while the popcorn is still warm, tossing again to coat every piece. Unlike regular table salt, popcorn salt is extra fine, which helps it stick to the popcorn without falling to the bottom of the bowl. For an even distribution, consider adding the salt to the clarified butter before pouring it over the popcorn. Give the popcorn one final toss to ensure every kernel is coated in buttery, salty goodness. Taste and adjust with more butter or salt if needed. Serve immediately in a large bowl or paper popcorn bags for an authentic movie theater feel. If you want to take it up a notch, sprinkle on a little nutritional yeast for extra umami flavor, or a pinch of white cheddar popcorn seasoning for a cheesy twist. Now sit back, turn down the lights, put on your favorite movie, and enjoy the perfect homemade movie theater butter popcorn. Crunchy, buttery, and just the right amount of salty, exactly like the kind you get at the theater. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos.